रिलेशंस बहुत अच्छे रहे हमने देखा है। आप लोग अपनी फिल्म प्रमोट करने आए हो मास्टर ने, कुछ बताइए फिल्म के बारे में, किस तरह की फिल्म है, क्या कुछ देखने मिलेगा लोगों को?
Thank you so much. Namaste first to everyone. Masterni is a crime thriller और अभी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं अपॉर्चुनिटी, देखते हैं इंडिया में भी हम क्या क्या धमाके मचा सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे आए हैं, डबिंग भी यहीं पे कर रहा है, YRF पे कर रहे हैं। सो इट्स बीन एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस सो फार।
सर Abhimanyu, what is your character and what
Ayushman.
Ayushman, sorry.
Actually, no worries. Like she said, we've had a beautiful relationship, including with films also, because I also grew up watching a lot of Hindi movies. We're trying our best to make our own and to grow the relation as well. So let's see how it goes.
And tell us about your character in the film.
My character is actually the producer. But I have a very small clip in this movie as well, because Banta, but the entire film is about her.
And what Bollywood films you like, if you can share something about that, Bollywood films.
I grew up watching Karan Arjun and it's going to be my favorite forever.
Wow. Ma'am, you?
I think all of us in Nepal, we actually watch a lot of Bollywood movies. Language is also very similar, you know, while we were working with Suvendhuji also, he's our director right here. So a lot of the times, even when we were speaking in Nepali, वो समझ जाते थे, आप ऐसा बोले ना, आप ये बोल रहे थे ना, तो ऐसे करके. So I think a lot of us grew up watching Hindi films and it's a culture deep rooted in Nepal. So for me, if you ask me, there's a lot of movies. I'm a very romantic movies, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो we are at YRF right now, so you know, Yash Raj movies उससे ज़्यादा रोमांटिक कुछ मिलता नहीं है. तो if I start listing names, I think there's going to be a lot. But I just love movies. I'm a very cinematic kind of girl.
Right.
यशराज मूवीज़ की बात की जाए तो यशराज की मूवीज़ की आपकी ऐसी कौन सी फेवरेट मूवीज़ है, आप बताना चाहेंगे कुछ? ऐसी कोई एक दो फेवरेट मूवी जो आप
मोहब्बतें. I love
I was about to say that.
You were saying something else.
No, I want to say
Right. Also, as a Prime Minister, Balin Shah has taken over in Nepal. So, what is your view on that? And the new relationship with India has come up. So, what do you want to say about that?
I mean, he's young, and I guess that is the biggest difference. He's making a lot of changes. He's a bit aggressive here and there, but it's required for the betterment of the country and the relationship between all the countries that Nepal has.
Most importantly, he's an artist.
Yes.
So any benefit you will get, or any proud feeling you?
No, I think just the fact that he's educated and you know, cabinet mein, if you have educated ministers, I think the most profit is going to be for the country itself, because with education there comes vision and you know, you understand things in so many different layers. So as soon as that happens, I think सिर्फ एक sector नहीं, overall country में बहुत सारे changes आएंगे, and we're really hoping for that. Not just him and me, but I think the entire country is now actually hoping that we'll get some positive changes. So we're actually rooting for this new government right now.
Right. Also, Masterni is releasing in Nepal and India as well. Anything you would like to say to Indian audience and Nepali audience?
This is Ayaka Films' first feature film production, and we tried to pick a subject which would do good globally as well. You know, the kind of genre we've picked: crime thriller, murder mystery, not just limited to Nepal, but I think anywhere in the world, if you dub it in different languages, if you show it to them, nobody's gonna say, "Oh, I can't relate to this story." So उस टाइप का स्टोरी नहीं है, कहीं पर भी कोई भी रिलेट कर सकता है जो कैरेक्टर्स है, जो टाइप का स्टोरी फ्लो है. तो वही सोच डाल के we decided to dub it in all these different languages so that हम इंडिया में भी रिलीज कर सके. Like let's say पंजाबी, we're doing it in भोजपुरी, हिंदी तो already है, there's Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, all
Bengali.
these, Bengali, all these different languages, so that we can also release it here equally बड़ी तरीके से जैसे हम नेपाल में कर लेंगे. So we are actually really looking forward to this. August 28 is when we are releasing the movie. Let's say worldwide. अभी के लिए वो शब्द अच्छा रहेगा, worldwide.
Wow. Ayushman?
Yeah. For
Anything
me,
like
it's actually also fun fact. She's my wife, so it's going to be very very interesting to see her face everywhere, and that way not just my love but everybody's love I'm expecting and praying.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
guys. Support our movie. Root for us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.